Good morning, dear student. Today you are going to learn about a new chapter, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Beta, it is used to create presentation. Okay, now a presentation is a collection of slides. Like in your notebook, you have different pages where you can write, where you can draw. In the same way, in presentation, we have different slides. Okay. For creating presentation, we will use Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a part of Microsoft Office. So let's learn how to open PowerPoint. First of all, we will click on Start button. Scroll down to find Microsoft Office. And here you will find Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This is how you can start PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint application window. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you components of PowerPoint. At the top, this red color bar that is called title bar. It displays the name of the title presentation. It is called Quick Access Toolbar. It contains frequently used command. Below title bar, you will find tabs. Below title bar, you will find different tabs. Okay. And below tab, you will find a ribbon. This is called ribbon. It displays command for various tabs. For example, if you click on insert, you will get another set of command. Okay, if you click on design, you will get another set of commands. It is used to minimize ribbon like this. If you want to expand your ribbon, click again. Okay. Now next is bit is slide pane. This is slide pane where you can directly work on the slides. Here you will find slides tab. It will show you total number of slides and its outline tab. Okay, whatever you will type on the slide, you can see here. You can edit your text in the outline tab also. Here, click to add notes. This is notes pane. Okay, you can write something extra about your presentation. Now let me tell you how can you create a new presentation. First of all, you need to click on File tab. Click on New, Blank Presentation, and then Create. Okay, this is how you can take a new presentation. Next is how can we add text in the presentation. Beta, you can see two dotted box here, like first is this and second is this. The dotted boxes, they are called placeholder. The dotted boxes, they are called placeholder. Okay, we type text in the placeholder. For example, you can write here also. All right. If you want to delete placeholder, simply right click over the border of the placeholder. Now you can see the pointer has changed to the four-headed arrow. Right click. Click on cut option. Right click, cut option. In this way you can remove the placeholder. Now next is if you want to take a new slide. If you want to take a new page, you will click on Home tab, New Slide option. Okay. Now you will find position of the placeholder is quite different from the slide 1. Okay. In slide number 1, you will find placeholder is positioned in this way. But on the second slide, placeholders are positioned in this way. This is the layout of the slide beta. Okay. If you want to change the layout, you will click on the Home tab, Layout option. From here you can select any one. If you want a blank slide, you can click on blank with no placeholder. If you want only one placeholder, you can click on title only. Alright. Next is how can you save your presentation? If you want to save your presentation, you will click on File tab. Click on Save. Now from here, you have to select location, means where do you want to save your file. Let me select desktop. Now here, you can give name to the file. Okay, let me class 4. After that, click save. Close it. Now, next time whenever you want to work on the same presentation, on desktop you will find same file with the name class 4 presentation. Double click to open the same file. Alright, you can edit or you can type. After adding text, if you want to close it, before that you need to save it by clicking on File, Save. Or you can press shortcut key, that is Ctrl+S. Okay, that's all for today. So now your work is to do practice PowerPoint and you have to read chapter 9, page number 81, 82, 83 and 84. Thank you.